Begging for a man's attention. Oh my god. What's up guys, it's tatycokley and I'm back for another video, and as you can see by the title, today we're getting into some things. There's a lot we're gonna talk about today. Honestly, all within the same realm, but we gotta get into some things. I gotta get on y'all behinds, okay? So today we're gonna do a full check. Get ready with me. We're going to do a head to toe situation, and then I'm gonna leave and go take some pictures, and I will hopefully insert the pictures if they come out cute. So since we're doing a full get ready with me, I'm also giving you guys a mini nastygal haul. Thank you to nastygal for sponsoring this video. We're gonna do that first so I can get the outfit together, and then y'all can see me build that look. I have timestamps. Are y'all proud of me? We did some color. Do you see the red? Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay, so I don't want to babble on because this will be a long video, so let's just get right into it. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video, and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. This is where you can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. Get into it, yeah.
Yeah, get into it.
Boom. Guys, this one is so cute only because, well, not only, but it's so cute because it's a little glittery thing. It gives body because of the ruching, but it literally goes as far as you want it. It can go all the way down to the floor, literally to your ankles. I prefer it up short, especially with summer. How cute. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes. Okay, I don't know what size I got in this, but I will try to put it in the description box because it fits me like a glove. It's perfect. This is the one I was waiting for, and then I kind of had a bias against because I knew I was probably gonna wear this one for the get ready with me, but open mind, open mind. Here's the back of it. It's super tight. Y'all know I love necklines like this. I think they're super flattering, and little slits for the body, so it's really just doing like everything you want it to do. Next, we might have a new winner. Now, y'all know I get cow necks all the time, little satin slips and stuff, but the way this one is sitting, hello, this is my birthstone, so maybe that's it. It's so cute and short. I don't know, I really like this one. Y'all might just look. This is my top spot so far, but let me know what y'all's votes is so far in the comments. Next, look at this shirt. So you can again put it all the way up as always, which I actually might keep there because it looks really nice neckline wise. Typically I go for like a little bit of off the shoulder. I don't know, what do you guys think looks better? Very comfortable, thin material, actually perfect for summer. And a square neck back. And then we have this skirt that splits. I actually got this in 2 colors. I'm gonna show you guys. I've been trying to get a little bit more into skirts, especially for summer, because I feel like jeans and shorts just don't go with everything. So yes, here's the same one in blue, just so you guys can see what it looks like. Same exact thing, super pretty color actually. These are just cycling shorts. I just love cycling shorts. I feel like they go with everything, so I just wanted to get another pair. Slinky, they're like an army green almost. Perfect length for me. Oh, okay, I got these pants in 2 sizes just because I was so afraid they wouldn't fit me and I knew I wanted them so bad. I'm gonna show you why they're so cute. The bottom of them split right in the front. They're so cute. Here's the back of them. I actually got a size up, and I could have probably fit a size down. These are actually quite stretchy, so if you're my size, you might be able to fit a 2. Okay, skinny legend. Yes, ma'am. This was so cute and small. It definitely almost took my face off when I put it on, but look how cute the shirt is. Playing basketball.
Stop it. Get some help.
And then the joggers are also nastygal, nothing crazy, just some regular little gray marls. Comfortable, not too tight in the waist. Look at these jeans. Look at these jeans. Look at these jeans. I also got these heels. How cute are those? I got these chain bags in 2 colors just because I felt like I wanted pink and black looks. They're chain, they go over the shoulder, but they're nice and lightweight. I got these snake earrings. If y'all know me, y'all know I am a snake lover. I also got this padlocked little necklace, just like, I don't know, I know the chain thing is in. And lastly, I got this chain belt because I needed one. Decisions. Okay guys, the outfit I choose is the green. I know the red is giving a little bit of Christmas with the green, but for some reason I'm messing with it, okay? So I went with the black bag, the green, the snake pendant earrings, and those black heels. But this is the look you are going to watch me create. Hey guys, if y'all see stuff in my hair, it is not dangerous. It's none of that little stuff. I just oiled my scalp, so mind your business. Y'all know I try to keep this affordable, so I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me again. All right, y'all, let's talk about entanglements. Now, if y'all don't know where that joke is coming from, it is the whole Jada and Will Smith drama. I'm really not getting into all that. Basically, Jada had a little ting with August, and she referred to it as an entanglement instead of what it was, a relationship. And people is making jokes, but a joke that I thought was funny is a lot of y'all is in entanglements and don't even know it. Sis, I want to put a definition on entanglement. I think entanglement is another way to say situationship. And what have I told y'all about things without titles? Don't do it, because this is exactly what happens. If you're in a situationship right now, or you're dealing with a guy right now, or whatever's going on, listen to me when I say, or just listen to me for future reference. Going in, Cover FX G Medium 2. I promise I got new products eventually, y'all. It's just, if it works, why fix it? Anyway, if you are with somebody who recently got out of a relationship, or you recently got out of a relationship, if you're looking for something in a partner to fix you, if you're just doing anything that don't really feel right, like you're not really sure what to call it, it's something like that, get out of it or figure it out immediately, because this is exactly what happens. Somebody is bound to get hurt if you are not clear in what is going on. For example, listen, I just got out of a relationship and I really just want this to be a rebound. If that's not clear, both of y'all is wrong for you not asking and them not telling, because there's no what are we? You know what I'm saying? I think that's the biggest lesson in all of this, because if a conversation was a little bit clearer, feelings might have been spared. I keep seeing y'all getting these little things where it's like, we not together, but that's my man though. Or like, y'all talk, nah, and then it's the meme of like people together like all cuddled up or whatever. That's not cute. There's a difference between being private and hiding something. There's also a difference between being private and being dumb. It is dumb to put yourself in situations where you don't know what's to come of it. At least to know that you two have the same intention. It's not cute when people have different intentions. I might be using you for a rebound and you looking for a wife. Ooh. And I don't want nobody in here clapping at what I'm saying. If you are in a relationship and you're the type of woman or whatever that is like, well, as long as he knows where home is. Do y'all see this? That is the same damn thing, girl. Like, just because you think that's your man, he treating you like you're an entanglement for him, and he getting his own little things on the side, and you just like, it's okay as long as he comes home to me. Do you know what else he might bring home to you? Disease, heartbreak, a child, okay? We don't want that. I just want y'all to want better for yourselves and stop being in things that don't serve you. Stop being in things that don't serve you. This is just my question to y'all, and I'm saying this with all love and respect, okay? Why would you want to be in something with someone who doesn't have clear intentions for you? Why would you want to be with somebody who is not making it clear that they are interested in you and they want you? Like, why would you want to be with somebody that's confused on you? Because I promise you, I literally promise you, there is somebody out there who would not be confused on you, who would be focused on you. And you guys keep settling and like chasing the men that are like, maybe I like her, maybe I'm ready, maybe I'm not. Why? For example, me and my best friend was watching a video the other day, and y'all know when people do the telling my crush I like them thing, you know, like the little things where they do that and then they screen record and show you the crush's like live reaction, right? And most of the time the crush is like, I like you too, me. But sometimes they get rejected. Okay. And the guy was basically like, nah, like I'm not trying to do this because of quarantine. Like he wasn't really into it, right? Like he was like, yeah, like it's not about you, it's the circumstances. Girl, anyway. So that's what he said, right? I would have been like, okay, good to know, and left it at that. But the girl in the video was like giving him reasons why it will still work. And what me and her was saying was, if a man tells you, hey, I'm not gonna keep being like, but what about this, but what about this, but what about this, but we can make a... No. You've set a precedent now. You set a bar where he knows that you are the beggar, okay? And what is the line? Beggars cannot be choosers. You're setting a precedent where he knows that you like him more than he likes you. You will sacrifice to be with him, but he's not sacrificing to be with you. And that is my concern when you guys are chasing these men that are unclear in their intention. Begging for a man's attention, oh my god. I feel like the funny thing is with women that I've noticed is we'll like a guy, right? And then it's like shut off to any other possibility. but they don't do that for us. What we need to start doing is matching the energy that we are given. If somebody is telling you, hey, yeah, I like you, but I'm entertaining other people that I like too, cool, then so am I. I think we put all of our eggs in one basket, all of our chips on one table, and just cut out everything else, and then that's why we get so attached and we're like begging for this person, because it's like, I gave up everything for you, but you shouldn't have done it. Whose fault is that? Don't get me wrong, once you're actually in a relationship, that's a different thing, but I'm talking about the pre-stage, like the talking. Why do y'all be giving up every and anything for one man off the jump when you know he is still playing the field? Hello? Logic? Do you know her? Y'all have made it clear that you're just focused on each other and that's that? Great. But if that wasn't set, baby, and you're not sure that that's happening, you single. This is a MAC 143 SES. It's new. I'm pretty sure I just got this from their new line. Same Becca Ipanima's son. I'ma update one day. Let me tell you y'all's problem. You wanna hear y'all's problem? You wanna hear it? Stop doing wifey-ish for a boy that's not your husband. Stop doing wifey-ish for men that are not your husbands. And then you're out here doing wifey stuff while he's out there doing single stuff. Make it make sense. It don't. It's like you offering to do somebody homework for them, and then you see them out there partying and doing all this stuff, and you get mad because you at home stuck doing their homework. They ain't ask you. You offered. Y'all gotta learn to do wifey stuff for people once they've proven to you that they deserve it. Y'all be giving up everything right from the jump, and then be heartbroken because you done poured all of your stuff into a man that was not even opening the cup for you. Same Songbird Blush. You know why I think that problem is? Because the bar is on the floor. The bar is on the floor. All a man has to do is tell you he likes you. Oh, you cute, you pretty, you this, you that. Oh yeah, I'm into you. And you ready to go 9 miles. I'm not getting that. I'm not getting that. It's like the bar is so low. All these men have to do is show minimal interest, and y'all are ready to buy a ring for them. You are ready to get on one knee yourself. Like, we are ready to just say, screw it, that's my man. And that's where we mess up. And y'all do know that it's okay to talk to a guy and it doesn't work out, right? Notice red flags before you jump in them, and stop being like, I can't see, I don't know what y'all talking about. You see, girl, open your eyes. Ridiculous. And then be crying and complaining like, oh my god, he cheated, oh my god, he don't know anything about me, he don't remember the little things. Girl, because he didn't have to. You didn't make him do that before you was giving wifey treatment. Think about it like this, right? If I'm a dude and this girl gives me wifey treatment, this girl gives me wifey treatment while I really was doing bare minimum, like treating her kind of doggish. Why would I step it up if I'm getting all this based off my low effort? They're working smarter, not harder. That's it. It's time for us to follow suit. All right, the face is done. I just need my eyes. Recently, I kind of been playing a little bit with eye stuff more. Y'all know I do the ginger in my crease. Like, this is gonna take all of 3 seconds. Y'all know before I used to just do the gold, but I've been kind of doing color. Yesterday I did purple. Today I'm gonna use Wigglies. As soon as I say I use purple, it literally chunks out. Today I want to use Wigglies, the red. Yeah, see that? Okay, that might be too much. We're gonna see if it looks like too much once I put the lashes on. The way that lashes really just takes your life from 0 to 100 is just godly. Entre a mi mundo B59 in the MAC Selena one. It's pretty like flesh tone for me. Now we will go back in with this lipstick, the AB9 one, and I will put it in the middle like that. And then I will add a bit of color back with the A99 Would Rather Lounge lip glass from MAC. See how there's color in that? Boom. Look at that. That looks much better. Honestly, it would have looked pretty with the nude too, but I literally always give you guys nude, so here's something else. All right guys, the sun kind of left me, but you know what outfit I picked if you watched the mini haul earlier, and this is her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before I close this out, you know I have to give my shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to Mama Mia Maria. Here's her page. I saw in my last video when I told you guys that y'all don't be listening to me, you were like, we be trying, Tati, and I was like, you know what, I appreciate the effort. So I just want to let you know I love you so much, and that will never change. Alright y'all, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You got a lot to do, you better get to it, and I will see y'all in my next one.